Before we jump in and start learning some formal words that you can start using to sound more professional, I have some tips that will help you to learn new vocabulary as quickly and effectively as possible. First, whenever you come across a new vocabulary word, it's so important that you understand the word in context. You can look up an example sentence using the word. You can relate the word to a picture or a video, and even more importantly, you should try to relate the new word to your life and think of different work situations where you can use it. I suggest doing all three, and in the video after this, I demonstrate how to utilize the best resources to do all of this. It's also important that you check the pronunciation when you come across any new word. Again, in the video after this, I demonstrate how to use the Google pronunciation tool to make sure that you can pronounce new words correctly. The next tip I have is to use formal vocabulary in work emails, since you can double check your writing to make sure you're using the word correctly. This will help you get used to using the word correctly and in turn increase your confidence using it in live conversations. And the final tip I have for you when learning new vocabulary is to find common collocations of the word. The term collocations is just a fancy word for words that appear together. For example, on the previous slide, we had the word inform. Some collocations with this word are inform staff, inform colleagues, inform KOLs, inform HCPs. You see, staff, colleagues, KOLs, HCPs are all different words that you will commonly use with the word inform. All right, now let's actually dive in and take a look at some formal vocabulary words that you can use to replace casual words and sound more professional. It's important to note that I've separated them into sets in order to make learning them more manageable and to avoid overwhelm. When it comes to learning anything in English, it's best to consistently learn little by little rather than trying to learn everything at once.